Welcome everyone back to LEGO Dimensions, and today we are on episode 11, and we are going to be restoring the DC Universe world. When I mean restoring the world, I mean we are going to be fixing up this place because it is in really bad shape. And I'll show some things I've already restored. So I've already restored Penguin's Lair, which is like a little tiny castle with some penguins on it. Nothing really much for this one. I think you can kill the penguins. Evil penguins. Oh, they give you lots of studs too. That one gave me a blue stud. They're holding fish as weapons. Can I kill this one, please? Oh. This one I can't kill for some reason. But I restored that, and we are just looking at the Superman statue up here, which I've restored not too long ago. Maybe like a half an hour ago. I believe I restored it. And it has all these picnic things, and they just all respawn. So I guess things respawn. I never knew that. That's something new. I didn't know Lego objects respawn after a while. Maybe only the ones you built, so maybe those penguins will come back. But we're here looking around the world to see what we can fix up. We have 72,000 studs. We are yet to get all of our upgrades though for the other vehicle, but that's fine with me. Today is a repair day because this city is really a pain and I want to fix it up. So we need to get to some high areas. So oops. Let's get this out. I need to go down here a little more. Can we go way down here? Saying I need to repair something. It might be underwater that I need to repair. What's this here?
Time to fix this broken city one piece at a time.
Arctic World. Oh my god. That's a lot of money. Arctic World. Should we restore it? It's a lot of money, but it sounds cool and it might be worth it. We'll save up. No, we'll save up our money. But, we'll go and look at other places too. Okay, it says I can repair, oh! It says yeah, I think the stuff down below where it's saying, oh, the repairing stuff is down below, it's down below. So, let's get over here. Can I kill you? You only talk. Okay. Sounds great. What's this place up here? The Wayne Manor Party. Let's see. The party or the Arctic World? Okay. Party sounds pretty cool, but promised that we can restore the Arctic World. And that's what we're going to do. So, we're just going around looking at things we can restore later on. But, let's get more studs. So, to do that, let's turn into our mech so we can just run over this stuff. Grab all this stuff here. We need 90,000. There's actually a really cool slide up there. Okay. We can't use anything in there. go and take to the skies again. There's just like toxic waste everywhere. This place is a dump. This place is one dump. Okay, I don't think I have the right character for this. But let's go on the slide up here. This is a pretty cool slide. Oh yeah! I think I stepped on it wrong. I think it's supposed to go faster than this. Maybe not. This is... I thought it was faster than before. Maybe I'm just, like, not doing it right. That's weird. But the very slow slide. I thought it was faster. Guess not. I need here. Helicopter, all I can do here. Eagle, TARDIS. And I want the TARDIS badly. Boulder Bomber. Wait, Soaring Samurai Mech can do this? Cargo hook. Okay. Let me get my mech in here. Okay, we're doing something. Where are we taking this? Do we have to put them in these thingies? Oh yeah, we do. I guess this is for a gold brick. I guess we can do this. Why not? Gold bricks are pretty important for vehicle building, so we just need one more after this. And it is really storming outside, guys, so if you hear rain, like raindrops in the background, that is the pouring sound of rain hitting against our house. So nothing I can do about that. The weather's weather. But here's the last one. Ace. I really want a Ghostbuster fun pack too, and I don't think they have them out yet, but I want the Slimer one because I looked at what Slimer can do, and Slimer can do a lot. Plus, I like Ghostbusters. I've seen both movies, and they're actually coming out with a new movie. 2016. There we go. Gold brick acquired. Oh, it's that. Oh god, goop! I landed right in the goop. Oh, I almost fell back into it, but not today. Okay, so there's not that many bricks left to get here. We're just really trying to get 90,000 now. I really want a character who can swim though, and I found a good character. There's a fun pack with Kragger in it, which is Chima, Legend of Chima or something like that. It's from that show. And apparently the guy can swim, underwater, which is the dive ability, and I looked at his adventure world, which is pretty interesting, and I want to record that because it's like an element world, like half of the world's ice, half of the world's lava, half the world's water, half the world's jungle. It's really cool, and I really want the character. He comes with a boat, which can be used for racing, and I really wanted to race. Like, I saw some racing hoops to get some gold bricks, but you need a vehicle that can be in the water, so that would be perfect for it. I think it's for Lord of the Rings where I saw that. But yeah, we need just a tiny bit more studs, and then we can restore this thing over here. Yeah, but expect for me to get that real soon because I want to get it soon, but I also want to get Legend of Zelda Triforce Heroes. But yeah. Oh, and I also want to mention something. I'm having a birthday party, and I'm having a whole bunch of friends over, and I'm having a really cool Halloween party. So after Halloween, I will be having a big party, and I have a Minecraft map which I want to show off at the party. But I don't want to spoil anything. It's been made about an hour ago, and I think I will like it. It's a Halloween theme, and yeah, I'll be recording that sometime. Not today, but sometime. So, I think we got enough. I just want to break these last two things here. And we've had plenty enough.
Time to fix this broken stud well spec.
Let's watch this go. I hope this was worth it. Okay, it's literally a giant orb. That's gonna freeze me, isn't it? Climb up here and check out what we created. Looks like we need an ice character. We need an ice character for a lot of things. Ooh. Something up here I can use Wild Style for. So let's get Wild Style over here. She can double jump, I think, right? Yeah. There we go. I couldn't grab onto the rope for some reason. Can you please move? There we go. Okay. It is one of these. Oh, I got blue out of it. Nice. 16. We can restore some other things if we have time. We have like 6 more minutes of the video left. I don't want to go over 20 because, I don't know. I'm feeling kind of tired. And it's like 9:30 at night. And school night. And tomorrow it's Friday, so I'll have the weekend off. And then there'll be a whole bunch of videos for me to post. I can already feel myself getting tired every single day, especially since school is, it's fun, school's fun and all, but it gets boring. It gets real boring. Can we break this? No, we can't. Can we at least break these plants? Oh yay, we can. Okay, that's nice to know. I also want Kragger because he can do this here. Like, look at him. See, it says Kragger can use this chi-up. I don't know what chi-up is, but if it gets you a gold brick, then I want it. Plus, if I get Kragger, I need gold bricks to upgrade his vehicle. You can actually help superheroes in this. I really haven't helped any out. But I've seen the Flash, and I was thinking of helping him out. But maybe in a different episode, because today we're just restoring stuff. Nothing much. But it's pretty cool to restore things in the world and check them out. So, there's a waterfall down here. You know what? Let's go over here. There's actually a border in this, which looks like a whole bunch of constellations in a big dome. Gonna hit the wall here. Here we are. We'll go up these steps. Oh, here's Flash right here. I don't want to help him out right now. But I believe there's a guy up here that we can help restore things, maybe? Oh, restore the bat signal. 90,000. Whoa. Save that for a different episode. We just restored something for 90,000, and I'm pretty sure I don't want to go for another thing like that. But if we find something for 25,000, I'm in. Ooh, a building that I can go inside and break everything for studs. Oh, newspapers everywhere. Holy crap. But, yeah. I was stuck there for a second. But I am back. To restore the party, what's that? 60,000? Oof. No, thank you. No, thank you. What is over here? I think that might be it today. I think that might be it. I can't find anything else. You know what? Where's my vehicle? We will do one more run through around the world in this vehicle. If we can't find anything that's 25,000, then we'll have to give up. Let's go all the way up on top of this building though, because I think there's something up here. Holy crap, this building's big. Lex Corp. This is Lex's building? Lex Luthor's? I thought something was here. It totally says there's something here. But where? East Chemics. There's something right here. Oh god, that was dangerous. Yeah, but that's Lex's corporation.